So, if you want to make money online or start a small business, you've probably heard two popular words: affiliate marketing and reselling. And they might sound similar, but they're actually very different. So, in this video, I'm going to break both of them down in a very simple way so you will understand how they work, how you make money from each one, how the risks that are involved, and which one is better for beginners. So by the end of the video, you will know exactly which part fits you. So what is affiliate marketing? That's the first thing we're going to talk about. Let's start with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you're basically a promoter. You don't own the product, you don't store anything, you don't deliver, you don't need money to buy any good. Your job is simple. You recommend a product using a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Example, let's say you join an affiliate program for a skincare product. You get a link like buy this product here. You post it on, say, TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, or even YouTube. If someone clicks on the link and buys the product, you earn money. So if the product is 20,000 naira and your commission is like 10%, you earn 2,000 naira from that product. The important thing to know is that the company handles everything, including the packaging, the delivery, the customer complaints. You only focus on marketing. You get? So affiliate marketing is basically make money by recommending other people's products, by recommending products. Okay? So second thing we're going to talk about is reselling. So let's talk about reselling. Reselling is different. It's different from affiliate marketing because here you actually deal with the product. You buy a product first, then you sell it again at a higher price. For example, you buy a shoe for 8,000 naira, then you sell it for 12,000 naira. Your profit is 4,000 naira. Unlike affiliate marketing, where you own the product, at least temporarily. You set your own price and you handle the customer. So sometimes reselling can also work like this. You don't even keep stock. You take orders from the customers, then buy from suppliers and deliver. Yeah. Sometimes you don't even you don't need to already buy the goods. Sometimes you get the order first from a customer. Then when someone orders, you go and buy it from that seller and then sell it to the customer at your own rate so that you can take your own gain from it. So it can work in two ways too. But either ways, you're directly involved in buying and selling. Okay? So reselling is basically buy low, sell high. And affiliate marketing is basically make money by just recommending other people's products. You get? So let's talk about the key difference between them. So the difference is clear. The first difference is on ownership. In affiliate marketing, you don't own the product. But in reselling, you may own the product or control it before selling. And then when it comes to capital, in affiliate marketing, it requires very low or even zero capital. You don't need to buy anything first. But in reselling, you usually need money to buy product, unless you are doing order-based reselling. Unless you wait for order to come, then you go buy from the seller. Then about the risk, in affiliate marketing, it has low risk. no loss of money if there is no sale. If you don't sell, you don't lose money, you didn't buy anything. But reselling has higher risk because you can lose money if the product don't sell, or if you don't get people to buy the product. It's stuck in your hand, or you may just have to sell it at a low price just to get it off your hands. So about the profits per sale, affiliate marketing has a fixed commission, usually small or medium, usually 5%, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10%. But reselling has higher profit control. You can control the profit you make. You can add more, you can add less, depending on who you're selling to, depending on the product. You decide your own selling price. Okay, so the work involved, affiliate marketing focuses on content and promotion, no delivery or customer handling. You don't handle customers, you don't talk to customers, you don't deliver goods, just advertise or recommend. But reselling, you handle customers, you deliver, you handle their complaints. It's just as if it's your own product, but they don't know that it's not yours. And sometimes you buy and stock. So let's talk about which one is easier for beginners. Now the big question is, which one should you start with? If you're a student or someone with little or no capital or new to online business, then affiliate marketing is easier to start because you don't need money up front, only a phone, internet, and just marketing skills. But if you already have some money and want higher profit per sale and you don't mind handling customers, then reselling can grow faster for you. The real truth most people don't tell you is that neither affiliate marketing or reselling is easy money. Both require efforts. Affiliate marketing needs content creation, audience building, and trust. But reselling needs negotiation skills, customer handling, and consistency. Many people fail in both because they think money will come fast. But the truth is, both are skills, not shortcuts. Yeah, so in summary, affiliate marketing promotes, it's just about promoting and earning a commission you get from other people's products. But reselling, you have to buy and sell for profit. One is low risk, the other has a higher profit potential. So the best approach for many people is actually start with affiliate marketing, then move into reselling later when you gain experience and capital. Yeah, so that's just it about affiliate marketing and reselling. So if this video helps you understand the difference clearly, you can like, subscribe, check out more business tips on this channel. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.